Hi, my name is Salik Meka. I am working as an embedded programmer in a Spyro solution. Now I am going to explain about the project Zigbee based wireless sensor network for service robot for intelligent space. The main objective of the project is going to service the home applications with the automatic lighting system. Existingly, the human has to go and monitor the parameters in the environment and he has to control the devices, or else they can have an automated system. But now we are going to implement these things with the robotic section. In this section there are three sections are there: control section, robotic section, home sections. The control sections could be controlled by the human, and the robot will keep on moving in either of the direction, and it will monitor the home parameters. Now I am going to show the block diagrams. After that I will explain. And this is the control sections. This is the robot section, and this is the home section. In the control sections, we are interfaced with the CCTV camera video service and a keypad. The data, whatever be the given to the keypad, will keep on passing through the Zigbee wireless communications. That will be received by the robot section, and it will keep on going in either of the direction. Once the robot goes, means it has a temperature sensor and LDR sensor to monitor the parameters in the certain environment. Once they found that parameters are found abnormal, means it will control the devices in that certain environment accordingly through wireless communication between the robot section and the home section. There is no wired communication between each of the every sections, and the parameters are monitored and controlled through the robotics itself. That is the concept of this project.